Hey, it's Cecilia Wheeler. I'm Bill Wheeler with Wheeler Vacations. Welcome to Aruba.
What a beautiful island this is, and it has two distinct sides. Come along with us as we explore this and more.
See you soon.
Oh, and before we go, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We'll be right back. Hey travel lovers, did you hit that subscribe button while we were gone? Well, come along with us on our fantastic day in Aruba. As we left our ship, getting on the bus was quick and easy, and it was very convenient instead of dealing with a tender and as you have in some ports. We boarded the bus and we were off onto our adventure. What we found with Aruba, it's part of the ABC Islands, which consists of Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. The roads are well maintained, but there are no stoplights in Aruba, but they have lots of these roundabouts. They're also known for some fantastic beaches, some of the best in the world. Our first stop was at the butterfly farm. Here we found that there are 18,500 species of butterflies, and 3,500 of them are here in the park. And they had some fantastic landscaping, and of course, lots and lots of photo opportunities, and we learned all kinds of things. This was probably the best butterfly tour that we have been on. We were saddened to find out that the butterfly farm in St. Martin closed several years ago. We saw this little jade-looking thing. It's actually a cocoon for a monarch butterfly, and even though it's in a cocoon, it can still defend itself. And we found it interesting that the butterflies like to graze on the fruits and actually get so drunk that they can't fly. As we wrap up our trip to the butterfly farm, we board the bus once again and we're off, and again, lots of organized chaos that goes on with these roundabouts, but everybody seems to be very happy here on one happy island. So as we're driving along, the official currency is the florin, and our next stop is the Royalaloefactory. We learned all about how this used to be a major industry here on Aruba, and now, it's still made into all kinds of botanicals. You see the fields here that are full of different aloes, and they gave us a demonstration of how the aloe is actually processed in the old school way, and then we went inside into the air conditioning and went on a tour of how it's actually processed in their factory. They had all kinds of botanicals and, of course, lots of opportunities to buy their products. So now we're off onto the bus again, and this was a little interesting. We went off-roading in the bus. Don't sit in the back seat. So as we got to the Naturalbridge, this was one of the big attractions to Aruba that we told about and said, hey, spoiler alert, it crashed in 2015. But there is a smaller natural bridge that you can walk on part of, but it is still there. And we did learn about how it was formed from erosion. We talked about the mining history of Aruba, but make sure you have $1 for the bathroom. Well, as we sail off into the sunset, as we're going on to Curacao, and check out that video very soon, this is Bill Wheeler and Cecilia Wheeler with Wheeler Vacations. Make sure you check out our website at wheelervacations.com. Safe travels, bon voyage, and we'll see you soon.